Nature has been in business for 3.8 billion years, and let me tell you, it's got entrepreneurship down to a fine art. Welcome to a world where innovation isn't just encouraged, it's a matter of survival. Take this lotus leaf. It's not just pretty, it's a master of self-cleaning technology. The leaf's microscopic structure repels water and dirt, keeping it pristine in the muddiest of environments. Now, imagine applying this to our buildings, our clothes, even our medical equipment. That's exactly what entrepreneurs inspired by nature are doing right now. But let's dive deeper, literally. The kingfisher, with its streamlined beak, plunges into water without a splash. Japanese engineers took note, redesigning the nose of their bullet trains to mimic this bird's beak. The result? Faster, quieter, and more energy-efficient trains. Now that's what I call a natural business solution. Speaking of efficiency, let's talk about these master architects, termites. Their mounds are self-cooling, self-ventilating structures that maintain a constant internal temperature despite scorching external conditions. Inspired by this, architects have designed buildings that use 90% less energy for heating and cooling. Mother Nature's HVAC system is revolutionizing our cities. Nature's R&D department never sleeps. Every species you see has been iterating, pivoting, and scaling for millions of years. They've developed strategies for energy conservation, resource management, and sustainable growth that would make any Silicon Valley startup green with envy. Consider the spider. Its silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same diameter, yet incredibly lightweight and flexible. Entrepreneurs are now developing synthetic spider silk for everything from bulletproof vests to medical sutures. Nature's not just beautiful, it's brilliant. And let's not forget about teamwork. Bees have mastered the art of collective decision-making and efficient resource allocation. Their swarm intelligence is inspiring algorithms that help manage complex systems, from traffic flow to... So, what's the lesson here for aspiring entrepreneurs? Open your eyes to the world around you. Nature has already solved many of the problems we're grappling with today. The next time you're stuck on a business challenge, ask yourself, how would nature do it? From wind turbine blades modeled after whale fins to water collection systems inspired by desert beetles, the possibilities are endless. Nature isn't just a resource to be exploited, it's our greatest mentor in innovation and sustainability. As we face global challenges, from climate change to resource scarcity, turning to nature for solutions isn't just smart, it's essential. So let's be humble students of the greatest entrepreneur of all time, Mother Nature herself.